we're going to make a self-inflating balloon. The things we need are baking soda, vinegar, funnels, a bottle, a balloon. So first, get a funnel and put it on the cap of, and then pour your vinegar into the bottle. And then get the same funnel or get another funnel and pour a little bit of baking soda in. After you're done putting the baking soda into the balloon, have an adult help you open the bottom and put it onto the cap. The next step is to tip this balloon over and the baking soda will go into the vinegar. And then what will happen? I don't know. Oops. Did you hear it? Wow. You might have to hold the bottle so it doesn't tip over. See? What's inside makes it very cold. And it's so cool. Now let's try using a glove. Now let's see the explosion happen. Ready, set, go. I'm trying my best. I'm trying my best. It happened to be a volcano instead. I tried my best to keep it from coming down. Play a balloon. Bye guys! If you like my videos, please subscribe, like, and share. Bye guys!